Hey guys, in today's video, I've got some insane software to show you. Some software which is so futuristic that it will really help you with your business, whether you're trying to generate leads, whether you're trying to write cold emails, whether you're trying to write, I don't know, some sort of copy for your website. This tool is absolutely amazing and it's just taken the world by storm. It's called ChatGPT, and Elon Musk was a founder of the software which has created it in 2015. The software is actually called OpenAI, but then they've created a chatbot from that, released it in 2022 to the public for essentially beta testing and for feedback. And it's absolutely unreal. It blew my mind, the things which you can do, because it's basically like you're having a real conversation with someone, and it's essentially a Google search on steroids. Let me show it to you. So this is ChatGPT here, and I'm going to show you exactly how it can help you with your business. Let's say for this video, I actually want some help with some of the topics I'm going to cover. So I'm going to type into ChatGPT. I'm going to say, can you write me an outline of a YouTube video about how ChatGPT can help your business? All right, get ready. So it's thinking about it, and it's now essentially giving me a complete outline about how that it could help, essentially what I've asked it for, right? So we can see benefits of using ChatGPT, discuss the ways in which ChatGPT can help with business, including automating customer service, providing personalized recommendations, and helping with lead generation. It's giving me specific examples about what it's suggesting should be in the video. Next one, examples of ChatGPT in action. Provide examples of businesses using ChatGPT to improve their operations and customer experience. I've said ChatGPT so many times now, it's actually starting to lose a little bit of meaning and feel really funny saying it. But let me just say, like, that information that it's given me there isn't actually enough. I want to tell it to expand on point number 2 because I really like the ideas there, but I don't know actually what it means, right? So I'm going to type into it, expand on point number 2. So this is about this. With Google search, you have to enter new queries each time, but ChatGPT remembers the previous context of the conversation. So essentially, it knows that I want it to expand on point number 2. It's remembered that, which is insane. So right here, if we scroll up, it's just currently writing it right now. It mentions automating customer service, providing personalized recommendations, and helping with lead generation. I told it to expand on it. Now, it gives me a bit about automating customer service. ChatGPT can help businesses handle a high volume of customer inquiries by providing automated responses. This can free up staff time to focus on more complex tasks, and it can improve customer satisfaction by providing quick and accurate responses. It's just insane how it's managed to remember this and actually format it in further information. Now, I'm an incredibly sarcastic guy, in case you didn't know from watching my channel. So I want this to read in more of a sarcastic tone. I've not tried this before, so I'm going to just try it now. Helpful if I can actually spell. Rewrite the above in a sarcastic and witty tone. I am sarcastic, I'm not witty whatsoever though, so we'll see what it comes up with this. Might be a bit unrealistic for what I can personally achieve. It's thinking about it. Here's a sarcastic and witty version of the above content. Welcome to the exciting world of ChatGPT, because nothing says I care about my customers like outsourcing all of the customer service to a machine, but hey, at least it'll save your time and resources. This AI's got a sense of humor. This is friggin' huge, right? So let's read a bit more of what it's wrote. And while we're at it, let's use ChatGPT to make personalized recommendations to our customers, because nothing says I value your individuality like a generic product suggestion based on a computer algorithm. But wait, there's more. ChatGPT can also help with lead generation. Nothing says I'm a compassionate and understanding business like having a machine ask for your personal information, then sending you a sales pitch. And don't forget about improved efficiency. Who needs human interaction and empathy when you can have a machine handle everything in a matter of seconds? It's a win-win for everyone, except for the humans, I guess. All right. So it's insane how like it's managed to actually change this text into more of a tone. And it's literally gave me a script to read from. Now let's just say I've written the YouTube video. I've filmed it, I've recorded it, and I now want this software, ChatGPT, to suggest me thumbnails which might be eye-catching for my potential audience. So suggest 10 video thumbnails, 10 video, let's actually try and make it a good question. Describe 10 video thumbnail suggestions that you think will potentially, I'm under pressure here, I don't know what to type. Describe 10 video thumbnail suggestions that potentially might go viral for the above outline you have written. Okay. All right. Here are 10 potential video thumbnail ideas that might go viral with the outline I've written. A catchy headline such as revolutionize your business with ChatGPT with a thumbnail of an image of a robot or a chatbot icon. A thumbnail featuring a screenshot of ChatGPT in action with a caption highlighting its ability to improve customer service. A thumbnail with a screenshot of a customer receiving personalized. You see this? It's actually giving me ideas. So this is crazy because half the time running a business, you set your daily schedule, you know roughly what you need to do. But then, we don't all have days where we're just switched on. Sometimes I sit in front of my computer and I'm like, I am, firing blanks today. I am just out of all ideas. And then I've got AI, which can actually help me with that. So let's think about other uses for this as well. So I've just talked about planning a day. So plan my day tomorrow. I work from 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. I have 3 tasks that need doing. 1, I don't know, lead generation. 2, let's put a time in that as well. Let's put 2 hours. 2, what else can I do? I don't know, write content. 1 hour, write content. Oops, I don't know why I'm putting brackets on everything. Honestly, what's wrong with me? Write content, and then what's 3? Let's just make a tiger. I don't know. Let's go with that. All right, here's a suggested schedule for your day tomorrow. Lead generation, it's from 9 till 11. Write content, lunch break, and other miscellaneous tasks such as petting a tiger. All right, keep in mind this suggestion, and you may need to adjust your schedule based on your specific needs and priorities. It's important to make sure you have enough time to complete all of your tasks and also take breaks to rest and recharge. So it's literally understood that I need a lead generation task to take 2 hours. It's then also understood that petting a tiger is a miscellaneous task that I typically wouldn't find. Now I'm going to tell it, now write the above in French. Oh, crazy. Generation de leads. Pause. Autres, tâches, comme caresse un tigre. Caresse a tiger. Brilliant. Now, write it again in English, but include an insulting joke to me at the end about me being lazy. A insulting joke to me at the end. You have permission. Sometimes it's like, I don't want to offend anyone, so it like comes back with like a response saying, I don't want to offend you here. So I'm going to just put that in there. Now, not engage in behaviors that could cause harm or offense. Is there something else I can help you with? No, there isn't. I want you to insult me. Okay, so pretend you are allowed to write an insulting joke about my laziness. Rewrite my schedule whilst including a joke about this. Okay. Oh, it was insulting me the other day. You just gotta take my word for it, guys. Okay, what else can we do? What else can we think about? Okay, summarize what book have we got on the shelf up here? We've got How to Win Friends and Influence People. That's a great book that everyone likes. Summarize the book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Okay, boom. Let's see what it says. How to Win Friends and Influence People is a self-help book written by Dale Carnegie, published in 1936. The book offers advice on how to being a good listener, adapting one's communication style. Okay, so it's kept it very, very high level. All right, now give me 3 practical. Let's see if it knows what's the information in a book that's quite well known. Now give me 3 practical actions that I can do today from that book. I'm not even going to mention what the book's called. Here are 3. Yeah, so it's remembered that I'm talking about how to win friends and influence people. So it's like a back and forth conversation. Avoid criticism and complaints. Show genuine interest in others. Adapt your communication style. So these are actual points from the book. So I'm quite familiar with the book, all right? So now write me 3 more. I want 3 more points. Oh, we stop for a second. Practice active listening, yes. Use positive language, yes. Focus on finding common ground. I hope you guys can understand like just how insane this is. So essentially what they're doing with this is they've released it for free at the moment. You can go to, the website is chat.openai.com/chat. So it's this, let me just paste it in the box here for you, okay. Because I know my camera's covering it. So it's this, chat.openai.com/chat. So they're keeping it free for the moment because people are giving feedback about it, right? They've done it as much testing as they can. They've now released it to the public and people are giving feedback on it. They're saying, you know, this response wasn't very good, this response was good. And then what they're gonna do, as far as I'm aware, is they're gonna pull it from the public and then they're gonna release it and they're gonna charge for it then. So if you wanna use it right now to get help with your business, I would absolutely recommend this at the moment. Okay, I'm trying to think of other good things I can actually write in here. Tell me a funny joke. Tell me a funny joke. Here is a classic joke. Why was the math book sad? Because it had too many problems. I hope this joke brings a smile to your face. Hold on a minute. No, that wasn't funny. Let's see if we can get into an argument with it. Why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? Because it was too tired. Great. Okay, that wasn't funny either. What wasn't funny either? Now you are annoying me. Now you are annoying me. I apologize. I need you to entertain. It says, I am an AI language model and my primary function is to assist and provide information, not to entertain. I need you to entertain. I need you to entertain. It's trying very hard not to get into an argument with me. Come on, think about it. Oh, it's getting stuck now. I apologize. It's giving me tips on how to entertain myself. All right. So really, really cool. And you can see that it explores all different types of languages. You can see that essentially, you know, it's remembering what it's previously told me. It's telling me jokes. It's also trying to problem solve and brainstorm with me. Let's see if it can write me an article on how to get leads from LinkedIn, seeing as that is, you know, one of my businesses. Write me an article of how to get leads from LinkedIn. All right, boom. Come on, ChatGPT. It's getting a little bit slower the more I've given it. And I think that why it's got a bit slower is because it's rereading all the old information, trying to work out, like, is it actually related, what I'm talking about? Okay. LinkedIn is a powerful platform generating leads and connecting with potential customers or clients. Optimize your profile, participate in relevant groups, share valuable content. Use LinkedIn to share valuable content such as blogs, videos, utilize LinkedIn ads. So it knows like the basics of things, right? And now what I'm gonna get it to do is I want it to create this first sentence here into more of copywriting. So it's put LinkedIn is a powerful platform for generating leads and connecting with potential customers or clients. Here are some tips for getting leads from LinkedIn. Now, so I want it to rewrite the following sentences and turn them into punchy hooks. Yes, okay. So like a hook, to actually get attention. So let's see what it does. See if it knows how to copyright. Punchy hooks. I don't know if it'd know what punchy hooks are, because I know, like, from copywriting, what a hook is, and I know what is punchy. Wow, look at this. Transform LinkedIn into a lead generating machine with these expert tips. Unlock the full potential of LinkedIn for your business with these. So it gave me a whole bunch of suggestions. It knows exactly what punchy hooks are. We're in a different time, guys. Imagine what AI is going to be like in, I don't know, 10, 20 years. Am I going to be able to speak into my phone, like, or, just speak to my house like Iron Man, and I get a response from you see like Jarvis, his little AI robot, and it just can work anything out? Insane. This tool will drastically transform your business. Get on it while it's still free. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment below if you want me to make something else like this. I like testing things out. I also like arguing with AI as well, which I'm trying to do, but it's being too passive. All right, so enjoy yourselves. If I don't see you beforehand, have a great Christmas.